Hey there, military enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how military vehicles have evolved over time? Today I'm taking you on an epic journey through the history of military machines. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride. First stop, the early 20th century. World War I saw the birth of the tank. The British Mark I, introduced in 1916, was a game changer. Designed to cross trenches and withstand machine gun fire, it paved the way for modern armored warfare. Imagine the soldiers' faces when they first saw this steel beast rumbling across the battlefield. Fast forward to World War II. This era brought us iconic machines like the German Panzer IV and the American Sherman tank. The Panzer IV was a versatile powerhouse used in various roles throughout the war. On the other hand, the Sherman was known for its reliability and was crucial in the Allied victory. These tanks weren't just metal and machines, they were symbols of power and resilience. Now let's talk about the Cold War. This period was defined by rapid technological advancements. The Soviet T-55 and the American M60 Patton tanks were at the forefront. The T-55, with its sleek design and formidable firepower, became one of the most produced tanks in history. Meanwhile, the M60 Patton stood as a testament to American engineering, serving in various conflicts well into the late 20th century. Entering the modern era, we have cutting-edge machines like the M1 Abrams and the Russian T-14 Armata. The M1 Abrams, with its advanced armor and powerful turbine engine, is a marvel of modern military engineering. It's designed to dominate the battlefield, combining speed, firepower, and protection. The T-14 Armata, on the other hand, represents the latest in Russian tank innovation, boasting an unmanned turret and impressive defensive systems. But it's not just about tanks. Military vehicles encompass a wide range of machines, from armored personnel carriers to powerful missile launchers. Think of the Humvee, which became an icon during the Gulf War, or the Stryker, a versatile and agile vehicle used by the US Army today. So there you have it. A quick tour through the fascinating world of military vehicles. Each machine tells a story of innovation, bravery, and the relentless pursuit of superiority. If you enjoyed this journey through time, make sure to like and subscribe for more captivating military history content. Until next time, keep your engines running and your spirits high.